Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Disconnect for Adventure. Today, we're in one of our favorite camping spots of all time.
The Alabama Hills.
You've seen us here before, but this time we're back in winter and we're going to check out a new campsite and some new things to see while we're here. So stick around. Morning guys, it's day 2 of our trip to the Alabama Hills. Sorry we didn't get a lot of filming done last night. As soon as dinner time rolled around, the wind kicked up like crazy and it was gusting like 30-40 miles an hour out here, so
it was freezing.
Freezing. So we just took shelter in our tent, ate our dinner in there, and called it a night. So we came out this morning, everything was frozen, but we were nice and warm last night, right?
Yeah.
So
nice and toasty.
Yeah, inside our tent was probably 65-70 degrees last night, and let me show you why. Walk over here. So we're using a diesel heater, and this diesel heater keeps everything nice and toasty all night long. So we run the exhaust hose goes into, or the output hose I should say, goes into the tent. The exhaust stays far away from us and it keeps the tent perfectly warm all night long. We plug it into our Jackery power or any power generator you have, and it just keeps it powered all night long, no problem. It's pretty efficient on fuel and it keeps the place perfectly warm. I ran it like a quarter power last night to keep it around 65-70. I didn't want to get it too hot, so but yeah, awesome winter camping device, highly recommend. Check the video up above if you haven't seen a review on it for further. So today we're gonna go take a trip up 395. We're gonna go explore the different towns on the way up 395, like Independence, Big Pine, and go up to Bishop and just take a look around. Maybe we'll stop and get lunch in Bishop, and then we're going to come back to town to Lone Pine, have dinner tonight in town instead of cooking. That way we can pack up early and have everything ready for tomorrow morning for an early departure.
Enjoy day 2.
Stood in the moonlight, it's something sweet. Let it wash over all of me. With you I form my company. till it's gone. Oh,
Hi guys. Okay, so we made it to Convict Lake.
It was an easy drive up. They keep the roads in great condition. We were worried that there'd be a lot of snow on the road that kicks off the 395. Over here, we were worried to be closed, but it's open, no problem, no ice, no nothing. But you can just see it's beautiful around us. The nice trail that goes around the lake we're going to check out, and we throw in some micro spikes to make sure we don't slip because it's a lot of snow and ice. But other than that, it's gorgeous.
Yep.
we're throwing open all the curtains wide. Not gonna miss a thing. Nothing's promised to you in this life, but it's there for us to take. So live well before we break.
Okay, so the plan was to go the loop, Convict Lake loop, but we made it, I would say, what do you think? A third?
Yeah, a little more than a third.
A little bit more
It
than
just
a
got
third.
way too deep, the snow. It was past our knees. You'll see her fall in the video, and it got way deeper than that as we went on even. So it was just getting to the point where we're gonna end up blowing her knee out, so we just decided to come back.
Yeah, we have jeans on, and we were just thinking it was gonna be like a nice little leisure walk through
Yeah.
the snow, but it was getting pretty deep. So we
Still a
decided to-
great hike though. I highly recommend it. Just bring some snowshoes so you can continue on. But other than that, it's gorgeous out here.
Yeah.
Weather's nice. It's what, mid-30s probably, high 30s. It's warmed up quite a bit compared to
But
yesterday.
the sun's out, so it kind of warms you up once you're, walking. And
Yeah, it doesn't feel cold at all really. So
but
it's just a little
definitely,
chilly.
we have micro spikes, and it makes a huge difference. You could have a nice little brisk walk and not feel like you're gonna slip.
Yeah, so check it out next time you're in the Mammoth area.
You've been down this road for far too long. He left your
Good morning, everybody.
It's our last day here. We're packing up to leave the Alabama Hills, but it's been a wonderful trip so far.
I just absolutely love this place, and what a great way to celebrate my birthday weekend, coming to my favorite place to camp. So it never disappoints.
It's been absolutely beautiful. Highly recommend coming here in the wintertime. It is chilly. It's right now it's about 32 degrees. So it's cold. Everything was frozen over this morning when we woke up, but we're gonna pack up, get out of here, and hit the road. So we'll see you next time. Please be sure to like and subscribe to the video. Leave a comment. Let us know your favorite places to camp, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.
Bye.
Your tears, they say 1,000 words. I've heard them